Right now, I would eat a lion, aya. Rotted. Me frightened, man.
White rum strikes again.
Me ask G, like, what start all of this?
He told you?
Him not know neither.
It smell like rat pee on them, man. Let me see if we can catch it.
No, Rufus, let me try. Can't you want them shot?
No, Ralph. Them no smell good. Them piss on them.
Yeah, I'm trying to say, girl, pretty you.
Which girl?
Take that picture for me.
You ever want man to take picture for you, bro?
I'm gonna do like
Yeah, I want to take.
Take that one.
Next one.
Take that one now.
Yeah, the next one. Yeah. I hate that one, see that?
I'll buy you juice. You want juice? They sell some of bunks at shop around this.
Hi. Hi.
What is that one medicine that cures all sicknesses and depression?
Monicitamol.
Monicitamol.
Yes, monicitamol.
Sharp, intellectual.
Yesterday I cook some fish. As me done cooking fish, me hear say somebody poison the water. Say bomba. Call me dog, me say come Fluffy, come. Throw one eye fish to Fluffy. 1 hour, Fluffy still alive. 2 hours, Fluffy I run up and down save me. Say alright, everything good. As me start eat the fish so, near my son ball out. Daddy, Fluffy dead. I say bomba, what this now, man? I say a pure cold sweat, me just a fart a go, can't have fart. Bad feelings. Run go in the kitchen, chop ginger, garlic, onion. I say no, man. We drop down. I say alright, me a crawl go out the door because probably a little fresh air me want. As me a crawl and reach out on the veranda, my son say, Daddy, the car man a bounce down Fluffy, come to tell you say he's sorry. I said, Lord teeth. I want to make something else have to happen to me, man. Why?
Dear Manny, I was not there when they said that you are the root of all evil. Please come back to me.
Aujourd'hui aussi, c'est un autre jour.
You just start blaze, man. You just start blaze. Yeah, because if we out it too early, then I say we're not doing work, you know. You understand? So I keep going blaze and then we out it after.
Want you to fly now?
Yeah, man, want the roof. If I have to climb the roof, man. See if I just kick off, you know, just one bus. Alright. We can take time go and do like we are do something. You know them video we are say we there. You know, hold on. I don't know how bad big back big about give me that helmet China.
And me that me too, see?
Alright, here. Come. We're gonna turn on the pipe. And let's see the front room.
Yeah.
We're hold the front room and make it like one blaze.
No, let's make it back room bun now.
Yeah, we gotta make it back room, but we'll get the
We
hard.
can't tell boss say we can't manage it back room, you're too big. Listen up.
You're big fish, you know.
Then tap in eyes, make we get to work. Front room is in.
Well, no man, the front room no catch good. Well, on the roof. A blaze, yeah?
Hey, that kill me now, dog.
Alright, roll out. Sweet
afraid
it,
I-
eh?
You afraid I?
You afraid of fire?
Yeah.
You afraid of fire too?
Let me know when we do this work here.
Can we change your work?
Come on.
Run, I'm take it to you.
Lot mo. Papa Jesus.
Well, son.
Don't beat someone's style. Don't beat someone's style.
What is your gender? My gender. I'm a mechanic.
Attempting me have nothing for cook. God, send something come my way. I'm hungry. God really answer my prayers today. Go put on the pot.
How do you do that?
See, curry goat. Pretty like money.
Curry goat, anyone?
You see them panty, ah? I think my panty, a divorce panty. Yes. As one man gone, and next man born. You see that one I know? This is the one of the single woman panty. Yes, man. If I see them panty, the woman is single. Last but not least, every woman have one of them panty in her jar. That one tear up jars, where she not dash right. Look on it. Look how much hole in that panty. Eh? Look at hole. A mesh, and it's still full of hole.
Me say me wake up a while ago and panic. Me not see my boyfriend beside me. Me run go in the bathroom, me not see him. Me fly out the door, me not see him. Me say just as me like me have heart attack. Remember say me not have none.